Welcome to the Using SignWriter Studio videos. In this video we'll explain the basics of editing a sign. Once you have the sign open in the SignEditor, you'll see on the right hand side an area called Sign. This is the sign area, and we can move different symbols around and change them in this area. So first, if you want to select a symbol, we can just click on it. It becomes purple, which means it's been selected. Or you can draw a rectangle around over top of several symbols, and they come purple, means they've been selected. Once your symbols are selected, you can drag them around and move them around wherever you want to. You can also use the numeric keyboard to move them into any of 8 areas or 9 areas of the sign area. Or you can also use the arrow keys to move them around to where you want to. You can also change the size of a symbol, select it, and then click plus to make it bigger, or minus to make it smaller, or control plus to make it a lot bigger, or control minus to make it a lot smaller. You can also duplicate a symbol, do a right click and click on duplicate, and there you are, you have a second copy of the same symbol. You can also, if you drag the symbols away, or you're drawing in one area, you want to have it in this, now want to have your sign to be in the center of the sign area, you can right click. You can right click and click on center, and it will center the sign. Or also, if none are selected, it will also center the sign as well. If you're drawing heads, maybe some eyebrows and a mouth, and you want to overlap the two symbols one on top of each other, you can select the two, right click, click overlap symbols, and they will overlap so they're exactly overlapped one over the other. And if you just want to select one of them and they're already overlapped, you can right click, click separate symbols, and it will separate them so you can just grab one or the other. You can also move symbols up or down. Right now we have the head, which is over top of the hand. Let's bring the hand up, move up, or control up until it becomes on top of the head. So we can move the order of the way that the symbols are drawn. We can also change the color of a symbol. We select it, and then right click, colors, and choose the principal color, which here is in black, or the second color, which here is in white. So let's say the principal color, we want to change that to pink or magenta, and click OK, and there we are. Or for a hand such as this one, you can change it, colors, principal color, choose a light blue for example, OK, and it changes the outline. Right click, colors, change the secondary color, try to darker blue, OK, and there we are. We've got a dark blue center, and what was black is now light blue. We can also change all the colors to a colorized schema, or also colors and change them to black as well, black and white. And as you can also see, if you're editing something, you make a mistake, you can always click Control Z and undo, or Control Y and redo the last changes. You can also get those by right clicking and get them here for the undo and redo pop-up menu. Another cool feature is you can combine two signs into one. If you have two parts of a sign, you can enter one sign, right click, sign, copy sign, click cancel. Go into the other sign you want to add it to, right click, sign, paste into sign, and they're together, so you can have them together and make changes to them afterwards. If you want to accept the changes, click on accept. If not, click cancel. There's also a grid that you can use if you want to line up your symbols, especially if you're doing animation. If you want to make sure that it's actually moving away from one other symbol, so you can line things up nicely.